Social media marketing has become an essential component of modern-day advertising, and it's critical to keep up with the ever-changing landscape. Here are 20 tips to help you stay ahead of the curve. 1. Know your audience. 2. Use engaging visual. 3. Create shareable content. 4. Use paid social media advertising. 5. Be consistent with your posting schedule. 6. Use analytics to track your success. 7. Collaborate with influencers. 8. Utilize user-generated content. 9. Incorporate storytelling into your posts. 10. Respond to customer inquiries promptly. 11. Host giveaways and contests. 12. Use hashtags strategically. 13. Stay on top of industry trends and news. 14. Join relevant online communities. 15. Use social listening tools to monitor brand mentions. 16. Focus on building relationships with customers. 17. Share behind-the-scenes content. 18. Consider video marketing. 19. Leverage the power of live streaming. 20. Constantly analyze and refine your social media strategy.